Hey Brock, I spoke to you the other day and just wanted to make this video showing how you could improve your online presence and get more leads than, SafeLight and other local competitors. So I usually start with a website, which this looks like it is a directory for you. And so I'll probably just use somebody else's just to kind of show you what I was talking about there. But what I've helped a lot of auto glass companies with are their ads to generate business right now instead of later. And, I know that you're in Bountiful, so windshield replacement Bountiful, Utah is the search term that I looked up. And, you see windshield, let's see, nothing, mobile auto glass, Utah windshield replacement, that's not too bad. That's also the name. Replacement here. So, when you're looking at the ads, and this is how you generate business quickly right now, you want to have your buyer intent keywords and location in that whenever possible. So having your ads thematically grouped up so that windshield replacement and windshield repair are two different groups, that's really beneficial. And then auto glass and auto glass repair, or auto glass replacement and repair also. The reason for it is you'll have a higher click-through rate the more words that you can find in the ad. And then when you go to their landing page, the experience there will really depend on, or will really make or break a conversion rate for you as well. On the landing page, usually you want a phone number, click to call right up here. You can have a form submit right here, and then over here you're talking about what you do and where you are. And then obviously you have some imagery and some trust factors to back that up. It looks like you are doing really well in the Google Business Profile. Cool that you have 130 reviews. That's really awesome. There are ways to generate, you could also always be ranking in surrounding areas up to a 2-hour perimeter. So, up to Logan, down to Draper. So you could always be ranking for other keywords in here too. But you're doing great for your local area, so keep that up. And then it looks like Auto Glass Only is one of your top competitors for this particular buyer intent keyword. I'm going to use their website as an example just because, like I said, yours was linked to a directory. But looking here, I always recommend content on a website, and when you look at content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords too. So like Bountiful Auto Glass Repair Services would be a great buyer intent keyword because it has the location and also the service. And those are what I'm really talking about there. But you also want to be you want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And then also all your imagery, if it's done correctly, Agile Mobile Service. I don't know if that, Auto Glass Only. Okay, so it's a brand. But you could also have buyer intent keywords behind the images because it would count as content as well. And so looking at their analytics right here, the DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for their website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want them balanced and continuously moving up. For this particular page, they have 0 referring pages and domains, but their whole website has a lot. So all we would have to really beat is their current page. And what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so make sure to stay relevant to your industry and also your location whenever possible. And it looks like this page is being indexed for 16 keywords and getting 40 people per month. Kind of looking at that, windshield replacement Bountiful, they're in the second position. They're getting 30 people roughly each month just to that one keyword. Auto glass repair, they're getting 5 because they're in the third, and then same here, 4 and third in windshield repair. But if you see here, windshield replacement Layton, they are not getting any because they were on the second page of Google. So those are the types of different buyer intent keywords that I'm talking about. And then looking here, this is just Bountiful. So windshield replacement Bountiful, windshield repair replacement Bountiful. When you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of one of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So there's 3 different ways that you can generate more leads. Ads are the biggest one that I've found that are helpful right now. Google Business Profile and your website being ranked could be helpful more in the long run, and will have more organic coming in the future. So I hope that this was beneficial for you, Brock. Give me a call at 801-891-4701 if you thought this was beneficial for you, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.